Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am doing my current tanning routine. The tan I use always is a Loving Tan. I'm sure you have literally all heard of this brand before, probably seen it all over my Instagram. Okay, so first off, I always shave my legs and moisturize and get my whole body clean, and then I always, like after I've shaved, I always go in with a coffee scrub. Today I was using the coffee scrub by BootyBands. Yeah, I actually really like this. It's my first time using it. It pretty much reminds me of Frank Body. I'm sure you've pretty much all heard of Frank Body Scrub too. It's pretty much the exact same. The only thing I think with this one I noticed is that it smells more of like coffee. Like it has more of a stronger scent. Like when I was applying it, I kept getting hungry. Anyway, as I was saying, so I know everybody pretty much does their like tanning prep the night before, but to be honest with you, I literally just do it in the one day. I generally will rinse this off and then I will go in with some cold water and pretty much just bathe myself in cold water till I'm literally freezing and shivering, so all my pores are then closed. Okay, so as you just saw, I just applied the tan to my body with a mitt. I generally also like to use a brush just to buff out the little, you know, the little grabby parts. So I like to do that. And then with that particular tan, it says to wait about 2 hours. So it's the 2 Hour Express by Loving Tan. So that just means after 2 hours, you can pretty much just wash it off and it's still going to continue to develop anyway for the next 6 hours, but you're allowed to wash it off after 2 hours. So if you're in a rush, it is honestly a perfect tan, but if you have the whole day, then you can just use the regular one. Or the 2 hour one, whichever. If you just can't be bothered to wait like 8 hours, 6 hours, 8 hours, however long. Anyway, once the tan has developed, I then go and wash it off and I end up looking all like a bronze goddess. Well, I attempt to look like a bronze goddess. Like, fuck. Anyway, so yeah, after about the 2 hours, just wash it off, but I generally like to wait about 6 hours to 8 hours. I will leave it on. I sometimes sleep in my tan just to let it really develop overnight and then wash it off in the morning. But yeah, just whatever floats your boat. So this is pretty much the finished product, as I was saying. Quite bronzy, which I like. So this was my current updated tanning routine for you guys today. I really hope you enjoyed this video, learnt some new tips. If I'm that informative, I don't know. Am I informative? Probably not. Anyway, I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day and weekend, and share some love on me video if you want to. Make sure to like and subscribe to this video if you would like to see more of my randomness. I'm pretty fucking weird, let's face it. Sorry. Anyway, it's better to be weird than be boring. Anyway, I hope you have a lovely rest of your day, and I'll see you in my next video.